third-party applications. How can we plug things into our store to make it perform even better? We've got the best store setup that we can possibly have, and now we're going to add on to that with third-party applications. Now there's some must-have third-party apps, some things that you want to have on your store no matter what, and that's a reviews widget, exit intent software, social selling and referrals software, a coupon pop-up, landing page builder so you can build promotional pages very easily, shipping integrators so that you're easily connected to your shipping and fulfillment and anything that has to do with your ordering and inventory, as well as cart abandonment. So these are sort of the must-have apps. You really gotta have these on your store. So let's talk about which ones are the best and what you wanna look for with regard to each of these applications. Now, we've got our reviews widget, and there's some features that we really wanna make sure that our reviews widget has. And that's the part of our product detail pages that's dynamically updating with users' reviews after they buy our product. So we wanna make sure that there's simple integration to our store. It's not technical, you don't have to do any coding. That there's mobile responsiveness so that when you're looking at it on mobile, it looks really good, it loads fast, it's totally mobile optimized. A lot of reviews widgets are not mobile optimized. Customizable styling so that you can customize the look, feel, and color theme of that reviews widget so that it matches your store. We want to make sure that there's email settings so that we can choose when to email people, what to email people, and how to email them to collect those reviews after they buy from us. We also want to have rich snippets integration. What rich snippets are is those are the little piece of code that you put on your website that shows those stars in Google search and in Google AdWords. So it's sort of rich markup data for your web pages. And a good reviews widget will have that built in. Multiple widgets. So that's like a widget for your product detail page. Maybe a widget that slides out that says, look at our reviews. Another widget where it's a full page widget that shows your reviews. So multiple ways of displaying those reviews on your website is very important. User-generated content. This is key. Giving users the ability to upload photos, to ask questions. You want those users to not only be able to put in text, but also to generate content for your product detail pages in the form of imagery and maybe even video. Help desk integration so that when a new review comes in, a new question comes in, a new image gets loaded, that you get a notification in your help desk about that review, as well as the Q&A feature. That's very important because when customers go to your product detail page, they look at the reviews, but they also look at the questions that other customers have asked, the responses to those questions. So you want that feature, and you want yourself to actually be responding to those questions. So when we look at our reviews widget, really, there's only one. This is the clear winner. It's Yotpo. Yotpo Reviews is by far and away the winner. They just have the technology down. They've been doing it for the longest. They really are doing the best job. I didn't even put a second place here because nobody else in the industry comes close to what these guys are doing with their review widget, or these gals. It's such a phenomenal company. So for your reviews widget, Yotpo's the winner. Now, exit intent. What is exit intent? Well, what exit intent is, it's when someone is on your web page and they try to leave and you pop up an offer in that same browser. You're not popping up an exit pop-up. You're popping up an offer right in the browser they're in saying, hey, wait a minute, get some content. Don't leave yet. Get this content, and then after they enter their email address, you offer them to look at a product. So it's a great way to get leads onto your pre-purchase email list. For us, we got 6,553 new leads and $45,000 in sales in January. And this is every single month this happens, just from that exit intent widget. So essentially what it is a fantastic way of getting people on your pre-purchase automation sequence. So they were bailing, they were leaving your website, and you quick made them an offer. And you said, hey, do you want this piece of content? Or hey, let me incentivize you with a discount, as I'll show you in a moment. So that's what exit intent is. Now, it's important to note that this is not an exit pop-up. An exit pop-up is bad. You don't want to do that. What an exit pop-up is someone tries to leave and you open up a whole new browser window that they have to click out of, and it's super annoying and people don't like it. So you don't want to do that. Exit intent, also known as on-site retargeting, where you open up an offer in that same browser window. So you're not annoying people. You're not opening up another browser for them to have to close. It's just making an offer in the browser window. Now, we also use it to incentivize with a discount. So on our store page, on our shopping cart page, on our product detail page, if people try to leave, we say, hey, wait a minute, please get 10% off, give us your email address. So we're getting people onto a different type of pre-purchase automation sequence, which is one where we give them a discount. So normal people who are just visiting our blog or visiting the homepage or visiting a more information page, we offer content. But people who've actually engaged with one of our products, we incentivize them to stick around by offering a discount, and then we say, hey, here's your discount code, continue shopping. And on average, About a sixth of our orders per month come from that one discount code, that one exit intent offer. So people are attempting to leave, we incentivize them to stay with a discount, we put them on an email list. It works extremely well, about $250,000 a month from that one exit intent offer for one of our businesses. Phenomenal strategy. Now, the clear winner in this case is OptiMonk. They're an exit intent software that you can plug into your store. They do a phenomenal job. They'll help you with the technology. It's a great service. There's a couple other exit intent tools out there, but none of them compare to how good this exit intent tool is. So I would check out OptiMonk for exit intent. So for exit intent software, this is really the one that you want.